Now we are on LinkedIn's homepage, and now on the top right hand side corner, we can see advertise. So we can click on this icon, and then we can go to the campaigns where we can campaign manager where we can create various ads. So this is the place where we can create various types of ads. Now in this the system is almost the same. Apart from that, we just need to create one account. Now, usually say the accounts are created because if I am running multiple ads for various different companies, then in that case, we can say identify different accounts. So for that reason, we can create multiple accounts over here. So for that reason, I can just click on create account, and then I can give a name, currency, and provide a page that is linked to my account over here. Then you click on I agree, and then you click on save, and then the account is created over here. So now since I have already created an account, I'm not creating one. Instead, I will just click on any one of the account, and then we can go inside. Okay, so now over here we can see this option. We can see this option create. So this is the place where we can click on creating the campaign. So we click on create a campaign, and then we can see the various types of objectives for the ads. It's almost the same that we have seen in Google Ads and Facebook ads. We can see brand awareness, website visits, lead generation, engagement ad is there, video views ad is there, and website conversion is there. So apart from that, this one ad is disabled, so this is not applicable at the moment. That is talent leads. Yeah, so this is for a different type of accounts over here. If we click on this, we get to see in order to choose this objective, you need to access LinkedIn Recruiter. So if we are having a recruiter's account, then only we can use this type of ad. Otherwise, we cannot use this. So we don't have a recruiter's account. I have a normal account. For that reason, we can do almost all the ads except one because we are not hiring anyone. So we just the promotion part. So for that reason, we have these all ads. So now let's start with one of the ads. So we click on brand awareness, and after that we click on next, and then over here we have two options. One is accelerate, and another one is classic. So the difference between the two is almost the same that we can see that we have already seen in Facebook ads. One is accelerated, that is maximize performance in a very short period of time, and one is a standard campaign that will run throughout the day. So over here, we can use manually build campaign from scratch and using available features. And over here, it's maximize performance with streamlined setup and tailored for your business objectives. So we will not be able to enter all the things manually over here because it would be an automated process, and it will also require more budget. So I would not suggest this at the moment because first of all, we will see what are the features that we get while we create an ad. So once we know this, then at that time, after that, we can easily create a accelerate account. So I click on classic over here at the moment, and I click on next, and then I need to provide a name of the campaign. So I will say it is brand awareness. So I will use awareness for a digital marketing course, or say anything. I'll use course. So this is the name of the campaign that we are using. After that, over here we can have a group budget and schedule. So budget optimization. So again, In Facebook also we had campaign budget optimization, that is advantage campaign budget. So it's the similar thing wherein say we'll distribute the budget to your group budget across your best performing campaigns for better return on investment. So if I click this on, then I give controls to LinkedIn wherein they will manage my budget. But if I keep it off, then I need to provide the budget and bids over here. So at the moment, I'll keep it off and let's see how what budget that we need to enter. So now over here, the next thing is run continuously starting from. So we need to provide a start date. So I'll say I'll add tomorrow's date. And if I want to provide an end date, then yes, I can provide an end date. But in case if I want to continuously run the ads, then I don't need to provide an end date. So that's optional. But just in case if we want, yes, we can provide a start date and end date. So this we can provide. Okay, so I'll say that okay till mm, we'll use 30th of April. We'll use, and then I click on next. After that, over here we need to provide what you are making. So we need to provide a name and source URL. We'll analyze them and optimize your audiences. So we can provide a name over here. So I'll just provide this name over here, and source URL I'll provide for my website, and then click on save, and then let's see what do we get. Okay, so this is what we have added, and this is use auto targeting to maximize results. So this is AI powered targeting based on the product listing to optimize for key results. So if we want, we can use auto targeting also. So let us try what exactly it is. So I can click on try now. So over here it says location is India, profile language is English, exclude employee of Helpopedia EduTech LLP, okay. And then audience signals. So if we want to add some signals, then we can add. So signals will guide audience building up your campaign. So I can add some signals over here. So signal is basically I am choosing my audiences, that what type of audiences. See, in Facebook and Google also, we were adding the audiences from the available options. So over here now, since this is a professional network, over here the options that we would be getting is like company industries. So I need to select what type of company, so whether it's agricultural, accounting, or anything else. So let me see if I have something related to us. So I can just search for education. So over here I have higher education, or I can just select education, or okay, so only these options are available, so I'll select those two. And then maybe I can select college. So no results for college. University, no result for university. Students, no results for students. Okay, so I mean, because this is only related to companies and industries, so we have selected education over here, so that has already come up. Then if I want, I can add the job titles. Now if I'm not aware what job titles I need to add, then I can leave it. So over here maybe I can select learning and development specialist, then maybe director of learning, learning manager, human resources, business partners, learning coordinators. Okay, so this is what I've added over here in the job titles. Then job seniorities, so maybe like unpaid training entry, senior manager. So I can select. So I'll select manager, director, VP. Okay, so and owner also, owner and partner. So these are the job seniorities that I want to target, and job functions. So job functions I can select from here. So I'm selecting education over here. Then maybe entrepreneurships, information technology, no. Marketing, yes. Okay, so these are the and sales, yes. So these are the job functions that I have selected. So my target audience is selected over here. So this is done over here. Signals are done. So after signals, what we need to do is okay, so this is signal. So now I need to select my ad format. So what should be the format of my ad? So whether it's a single image or it's a carousel. So in case if I'm promoting a single product or service, then I can use single image. If I'm promoting multiple, then in that case I can use carousel. So it would be in the form of cards with the left right button, and I can see multiple cards over here. So I can use carousel, or else if I want to use a video, then video is also available. Then text format, so these are text ads, spotlights, so that will be showcasing the product to increase the traffic on your landing page. Okay, and then followers, promote your LinkedIn page to acquire followers. Then documents, so use a document slide or a guide in your ad, so that also can be done. So in my case, for example, what I can do is, what type of document I can use is, I can use the course syllabus. So I can provide a table of content document over here for the reference, that what are the things that they are going to learn in the course. So that type of document I can use. Then conversions, so conversations is basically wherein we can start quality conversations by displaying in your ad. So we can communicate with the help of messaging, so that is inbox. So that is there. And in case if I want to promote some events, so in case if I have created an online event or offline event on LinkedIn, then I can promote that. Or else I can also promote an article newsletter which I've already posted on LinkedIn. So that can be done. So this is all the format of the ads that we can use. Now, based on the audience that we have selected, we can see what is the forecast results on the right hand side. So this right hand side will provide us with the forecast results. So 30 days spend, you can see it's 2,50,000 to 3 lakh rupees, and 30-day reach is 1,10,000 to 4,60,000. So now you can easily say get to know that LinkedIn ads are very, very costly, because this, more than this, the results that we were getting on Facebook, uh, we were getting better results than this, and the pricing was just 5 to 6,000, and in 5 to 6,000 we were getting better results than this. We were reaching, say, in lakhs of people, and in some case even millions. But so I mean, over here you can see the amount is in lakhs, and we are reaching just say 1 lakh to 4 lakh people. So I mean, that's very less. And this is the 30-day cost per 1,000 members accounts reach. So we would be reaching approximately, okay, so this is the amount that we would be spending is 1,300, and over here 1,500. And 30 days average frequency would be one ad, or say more than one ad would be shown. So 1.4 ads or maybe one ad would be shown. So this is okay. So now what I will be using is, I'll be using a single image over here for this ad. And then tracking parameters, so this is optional. This is just in case if I'm running multiple ads and I want to know that which ad was clicked by people and came to my website. In that case I can use this. But if I'm just using one ad, it is not necessary that I can use this over here. So we had seen the UTM parameters previously. I will just show it to you again, so you'll get to know what we are talking about. Yes, UTM code. So say for example over here, this is my campaign like I'm running, this is my website URL, and then I can provide that, okay, UTM source is equal to, over here I can write LinkedIn, and UTM medium is the campaign name. So that is brand awareness I can use. And if I still want to add more, then I can also add that what type of format of the ad that we have used. So in that case, I can use something like over here. You can see UTM medium over here. It's banner. So like that, I can add. I can keep on adding multiple this UTM parameters. So you can see where there are lots of examples over here that we can add. So this is like the UTM parameter. So when I track my analytics on my website, at that time I will get to know that this many people have come from LinkedIn ads. So that is what, in case if I want to use, I can use this option for tracking the people coming into my website after clicking on this ad. But any which ways, we are going to get that report in LinkedIn, so we get to know that how many people have clicked and how many people have reached there. So that is it. After that, placement. So where our ads would be placed, so it would be placed on LinkedIn and LinkedIn Audience Network. So this will be placed on the trusted third-party publishers where LinkedIn audiences engage. So that is it. And after that, brand safety and suitability. So exclude categories and upload block list or allow list. In case if you want to exclude some of the categories where you do not want to show your ads, then in that case you can add the categories, or else you can upload the list. So maybe you don't want certain people or certain company pages to view this. In that case, you can just create all the URLs and you can upload the CSV file over here. But since we want better options, better results, reaching more people, we are not blocking anyone. So this is out of question for blocking anyone. Now it's time to set the budget. So the different types of budget we have is lifetime budget, daily budget, and we can use both the options. You can see this. This is the ad where we can use daily budget and lifetime budget also. So say suppose if I use both the options, then in that case I can say that okay, my total budget is 5,000 and daily I want to use 500 rupees out of that. So like that also I can use this option. So I can use whatever I want. So I'll select daily budget at the moment. And over here you can see the daily budget is 10,000. But if I use the budget like what we were using in Facebook and Google, I don't think it will accept. So if I enter 500 rupees, let's see if it allows. So over here it says that increase your daily budget to 10,000 rupees. So you can see over here you need a minimum of 10,000 rupees to say get the results. See, your budget is too low to maximize performance and get consistency in the ad delivery based on the analysis of your accounts historical performance and other targeting this audiences. So we recommend increasing the your daily budget to 10,000 rupees to get an estimate plus 11,600 members reached, that is 483% per day with 0.41 cost per member reached. So this is what over here we are reaching that many people. So we would be reaching 11,000 people, 11,600 people on a daily basis. So over there in Google ads and Facebook ads, we were getting impressions. But over here, we are actually reaching those people. So it will go to their inbox. It our ads will be shown on their pages, on their profile, and inbox also it will be showing, that is in mail ads. So that can be seen over here. So however, it is not giving any error, but say the results have reduced 76,000 to 3,10,000, and over here the cost is 100 to 117 rupees, and the average frequency is 1.2 to 1.8. Okay, so it's still okay. Let's see. And run campaign continuously from say 14th, that is tomorrow, and then now it's time for bidding, that is optimization goal. So we what are the options that we have for the goal? So we want to reach people. The other options, let us see what do we have. The first one is reach, that is optimized towards the number of unique members accounts that your ads are shown. So our ads will be shown into the accounts of those people, so they will see our ads. And the second option is impressions, so deliver as many impressions as possible. But impression is okay, fine. I mean, whether people will see or not see, I mean, it's okay. I mean, the ads will come and go. Whether they notice or they don't notice, but the impressions were thrown. So, I mean, we would be charged. So, however, impression based ads are cost effective ads, but reaching exact number of people would be the better option, because this is a professional network, so we are actually reaching those people. So we have those two options over here, so the reach option is better over here. And the best strategy is maximum delivery. So the ads will be result delivered, the results will be delivered to the maximum possible as per the budget that we have provided. Then the next thing comes is conversion tracking, that is optional. So conversion tracking is basically used when we are doing a sales ad. So we just want to track how the conversions are happening, so you can measure the actions members take on your website after clicking or viewing your LinkedIn ads. Because say once a person will click on your ad, and then he will be redirected to our website. Now how will LinkedIn get to know that whether a person is buying a product or not? So for that reason, if we want to track that, so that tracking can be done over here. So we would require to add a small piece of code in our website, so that that code will trigger some results whenever a person is buying some products, completing a purchase. At that time, one this result will be triggered to LinkedIn that okay, there is one sale. So that is what happens when we do tracking. So in this ad, this is just for brand awareness, reaching more people to showcase our product. So for that reason, conversion is not required, because this is not a sales ad. This is for just for the promotion. We want more people to see our products and services. So that is what it is. But we'll be using this in the sales ad whenever, wherever it is possible, we'll use this. And after that, we click on next. So we need to save it first. So this is the option that we get. We need to save whatever we create. And now over here, what we need to do is we need to create an ad. So create an ad for your campaign. So I click on create new ads. So I need to provide this ad, name of this ad, so that we have already selected as awareness for the course. And this is introductory text that we need to use. We can start typing. So okay, fine. So I'll just use my notepad where I have all the content. Okay. So okay, introduction text. Let me see what I can use. Okay, so I'll use this text over here. Okay, so this is done. We get a maximum of 600 characters that we can use. So in case if I want to even use full option, then maybe I can use, let's see. Okay, so it's 324 characters, so that's fine. So I can use this, and then the destination URL I can provide. So this is my destination URL. Okay, and after that I can use the images. So create up to 5 ads by selecting multiple images from the library or uploading directly. So I can click on upload or select. So let's see if I have some images. So yes, I have two images, so I can use that images. So one and two I can use, and I can also upload the images as well. So let's see what I can use. Mm, I'll use one. I'll use two. So I'll use those two images, and then after that I'll still upload. So you can just click add to library, so they will get added to the library. So now we can see the images are added. I can still upload some. So okay, so I can use these images. However, I don't require so many, but in future if I want I can use them. So I'll be using this. So maybe I'll just use one, two, three, four, and five images I'll use, and then I'll click on add to library. Okay, so it will upload. So this is done. So five selected. So let's see which images I want. So one, two, three, four, five are added. Apart from that, if I want to use anything, let's see. Okay, so these images are selected. So then I need to add a headline. So okay, I can use the add image alternative text also. So that is also good that we can use. So it's like SEO that we were using alternative text. So I can use some alt text. Okay. So five images are uploaded, and for all of them we can use the alt text. Okay, and then I need to add the heading. So for which we get 200 characters. So, okay, so fine, I can use some headings. So I'll use the same heading over here at the moment, and then I need to add the description. So we'll use this description over here. Okay, yeah. So we have 300 characters for description, 200 characters for headline, and 300 characters for alt image, and for introductory text we get 600 characters. Okay, so that's good. And for the name of the ad, okay, so that's 255. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now we need to select the call to action. Now this is a brand awareness ad, so we want people to say click and go to our website. So for brand awareness, what we can do is we can also use request demo. So demo can be done. We can use learn more or view quote or get quote. Get quote is not there, but sign up is there. Mm, okay, request demo we can use. Shop now is out of question. Buy now out of question. Download. Okay, maybe we want to download the table of content. So in that case, we can allow download. But I would think learn more is a better option. So learn more can be done, and request demo. So these two options are really good. So in this ad I will use request demo, so that can be done. So now we can see our ad on the right hand side. Ad is created with the button request demo. So this is done. Now I can click on save ad. So now my ad is getting saved. Okay. So now in this ad, we have this awareness courses there. So now my ad is completed. So over here, you can see these are the previous ads. So I can just click on next, and then okay, so this is again taking me to create another campaign over here for the same ad. So I can use this. So this is not delivering. So okay, so this is it. And now I need to add a payment detail. So it is not taking me to create another one, but it is all, or this is already what we have added over here. So this schedule conflicts with the group schedule. Update your schedule. So I mean continuously, so I can update the schedule. So let's see. Hmm, fail to update the group. Okay, fine. We'll keep the same ad only. So that's fine. So this is our ads are created. Now we need to add the payment detail, and once the payment detail is added, you agree and launch the campaign. But I'm not adding the payment method over here because it is very costly. So I haven't added any payment method over here, and that is the reason on the top I'm getting this error in the red. Your ad account is currently on hold due to missing payment information. Please add your credit card information in the billing center to activate your ad account. So that's fine. I mean, the uh, process is completed over here. Now I just, if I add the payment method, and then I just need to click on agree and launch campaign. So that's it. So once this is done, your campaign is launched. But we have seen the whole process of creating the campaign, so that's more than enough. So this is it. So now we have created our campaign. So I'll again go to the campaign manager, and let's see the second ad. Okay, so complete three simple tasks to maximize the outcome. So that is add a payment method to get started, launch your first campaign based on your marketing goals, and get started with installing the insight tag to improve tracking of your website. So this is what say we have to use during the sales campaign, that is the conversion tracking. So I just need to add a small tag in my website so that I can track the sales that are happening on my website once a person will click on the ad and go to my website. So this is what we need to add. So we'll add that later on. So but I can still just click on it, and I can just maybe if it provides some code, I will install it myself. Okay. So proceed, and let's see. So data connection information manage tag. I will install the tag manually. Okay. So this is the tag. So you can see this is the tag, copy to clipboard, and now I can just save this in a notepad for the moment, and once we require at that time we can add it to the website. So I'll just click, I'll save this. Mm, so I'm saving it as LinkedIn conversion tracking code. So whenever we want to implement it on the website, we can use it. So I'll just save this at the moment, and I'll close this. So this is done, and after that I can just go back, and maybe I can just click on skip. So I can just click on overview. Okay, it's not okay. So we are on overview over here. So we have created the ads. So we have created one ad. So now what we need to do is we again need to go to, so I mean we are already on the campaign advertise. So I click on advertise over here and yes. So now I can create one more campaign. So now we can see the campaign groups over here. So these are the groups that we have created. So this is the awareness course. This is what we have created at the moment. So at this moment, I'll just disable this because we are not running them. Okay. So now I can create another campaign by clicking on create. So I select create a campaign. So that campaign would be for website visits. So I can just click on website visits and I'll click on next. And then say this time let us see accelerated what options do we get because we have already seen the classic. Now we already know what are the options that we get in the classic version. So now I select the accelerated option. It says that it improves your cost per action up to 42%. Okay, let's see. Click on next and then budget over here. Okay, so campaign details budget. So set a budget at the campaign level continuous. Okay, so if I want to change, okay, so this is already there that we have selected. I just click on next. A single image or a video or a document, so I'll use single image at the moment. Click on next and then what do you want to advertise. So select what you are advertising. So I'll select digital marketing courses. So digital marketing courses, the product is a comprehensive range of digital marketing courses offered by Helpopedia EduTech catering to various levels of. Okay, so this is taking some content maybe generated by AI. Okay, okay, fine. So then draft campaign. And after that, let's see. Okay, so this is the campaign details that we have selected. Okay, the target settings. So this all is automated. You can, so okay. So if you want to edit, there is option, but by default, everything is taken over here. And for audience signals, it says that we automatically build an audience using your product description. Add optional signals to further guide audience building your company. So in case if you want to add optional signals, then you can add, but ideally they will automatically build an audience using your product description. So that's fine. So this is it. And then image ads, so I can just click on create an ad, and then comes placement budget. Okay, so and conversion tracking and payment details. So that's it. So I mean over here nothing much is there compared to what we had done. So over here everything is coming up automatically. The only thing is that over there we had to add the targeting details. Over here it is automatically taking from our previous ads. So that is it. And over here signals are also coming up automatically. We don't need to add, so they'll automatically build an audience. And I just need to click on create ad. So okay, so introductory text I can add. So let's take an introductory text. So I'll just copy this text and paste it over here. Okay, and then I can add some headlines. So headline, let's see. So I'll take this headline and then the image. So one image, so I can select which images I want. So I can select one image, two image, second image, third image, fourth image, fifth image. Okay, so I think we can add how many over here. We can add only one. So let's see. So I'll add this one, this image, or maybe this image. So this is the image that I can use. vertical image, or else I can use a horizontal one. It looks like this. Okay, so I'll use this over here, and then I can select the call to action. So call to action, I can use learn more. So because this is a website traffic, so I want more people to visit my website. So in that case, is there anything that we can use? So I think learn more is the only option that we can use. So learn more is the call to action that we'll be using. Website URL is added, and description is optional. In case if we want to add some description, we can add a description. So let's see what I can add. Okay, so we have 300 characters for the description over here. So this is done. I click on save ad. Uh, Advertisers see 20 plus improvement in click-through ratios with 5 plus or more ads. Do you want to create more ads with AI? Okay, so I can click on draft more ads, but I mean we are not running live ads, so at this moment it's no point in creating more ads. Otherwise, I can just click on draft four more ads and it will create four more ads with different images. So I'll just say no, just save ads. So it will just save the ads over here, and I mean that's it. Over here we don't have anything much to do. So our ad is done, and I can just click on save and exit because my ad is already done. So you can see this is my ad which will be created, and this will be promoted as per the budget. So over here you can see the spend. It has automatically taken the spend over here. Impressions is there, clicks is there, and the cost per click you can see it's 165 rupees to almost 200 rupees cost per click. So it's too costly over here. So that is the only thing wherein I say that the LinkedIn ads are too costly, and the amount also that we need to spend is too high. So you can see this 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20,000 over here. So that's too high. So if I talk about one day, how much amount will be spent? So one day it will spend 2,600 to 6,000 rupees in a day. So okay, and after spending 6,000 rupees also you can see 6 to 25 clicks only that I'm getting, and I'm spending approximately 260 rupees to 306 rupees per click, that is cost per click. So I mean that's too costly. So okay, fine. So I mean we just got to know that okay how the ads are created and how we can use this. So now we can see this, our ads are created. So this is the ad over here. So we can see, okay. So this is the ad creative and destination. So destination, the ad will link to this URL. Okay, so the URL is there. So fine. I mean this is how the ad will be shown to people. So that's it. So now I can click on save and exit. So the automated ad, the accelerated ad does not take much time. It will just take only 5 minutes to create an ad, because say like how we spend time in creating an audience in Facebook and Google. Say in LinkedIn, you do actually don't need to add the audiences because it will automatically take the audience. Even in the normal ad, even if it is not an accelerated ad, even if it is a classic ad, it will take the audience from the description of our ad. So I mean it's still okay. I can use any of the campaign type, and I can use the automated audience because LinkedIn will show our ads to the most relevant people. Maybe we might not select properly, but they would definitely select the people interested in people who are searching for digital marketing courses or marketing courses, something like that. So that's the good option. So now again I go to campaign groups, and I can click on create a campaign group. I'll select a campaign first, And now we can, so under consideration we have done website. So under after consideration, the first ad I can use, the second one is engagement under consideration. So I'll select engagement. So this would be for increasing the social engagement and page followers. So like how we did the ad in Facebook, wherein we were promoting a particular post or a video or an event, so where we can get likes, comments, shares and all those things. So it's the same type of engagement ad over here as well. So it would promote our post, articles, newsletters, events, everything. So let's see what are the things that are available. So I click on next, and over here we'll go with the classic option. We click on next, then campaign details. So I'll use this would be engagement, engagement ad, and budget. So in this option, we'll use set start and end date with a budget. So I'll use the lifetime budget over here. So lifetime budget is say maybe around 5,000, and start date would be say 14th and end date would be 31st. Okay, and over here it said something. I think there was some message. The this budget is not optimized and will simply prevent your campaigns from overspending. Okay, so let's see. Let me try with 5,500. Let's see. Okay, I mean it did not give any error. I think first time it gave an error, but okay, fine. So I click on next. After that, let's see what happens. So now campaign level tracking parameters. Okay, so this is an engagement ad. So where is your target audience? Location, recent or permanent? So this is India. So in case if you want to select a particular location, then you can select this. Maybe we can select particular city, state. So let's see. So I can select permanent location, recent or permanent location. So I'll select both the options and then I'll search over here Mumbai. So I can select Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Then maybe I can select Navi Mumbai. So Navi Mumbai and Navi Mumbai I can select at the moment. And after that, who is your target audience? So add buyers group. So eliminate guesswork with AI powered bias group that identify decision makers and key stakeholders for your product category. Transform your pipeline metrics with 20% improvement in sales and rates and 25% conversion. If okay, so this is still in beta version, so we are not sure whether this will work or not. But in case if we want, you can add buyers group in case if you know. So you can see this, these are the buyers group available. So let's see, administrative support software, agricultural software. So we need to search something related to education, business intelligence software, business strategy software, cloud management. Okay, so anything related to digital marketing and strategies, we can use it over here. Let's see. Mm, education software, I don't see anything over here related. Okay, maybe I can use marketing data analytics software. Okay, I don't think that's relevant at the moment. Okay, but this is all related to the software. So, I mean, we don't want to use these options over here. So I'll just click on close. So that's out of question. And if you want to narrow down your audiences, then you can narrow down. So if you click on narrow, then you can search like what type of audiences you want, like audiences or audience attributes. So audiences would be like you can upload a list of audiences with name, email address, mobile numbers, and all those things, their companies, and whatever this list you have, that you can upload. Lookalike audience. So lookalike audience, let's see. Mm, okay, so we don't have lookalike audiences. Okay, so that also we don't have at the moment. Predictive. So I mean, it's like the prediction for future. So in case if you want to add something predictive in future, so you can create a predictive audience. Now, since we haven't created anything, we are not able to search over here. So I mean, that is the reason it is coming blank. So this is retargeting. So you want to retarget a particular company page or conversations or conversion API documents that we have uploaded in past, or events that you want to promote, or lead generation forms, or single image, whatever you want to retarget, you can retarget that. You can retarget a website or a video. But I mean, we are not retargeting anything over here. That can be done in the conversions, that is in the sales ads, we can use that. So instead of selecting the audiences, the best option would be audience attributes, wherein whatever options we were selecting from past, so we can select the type of company that we are looking at, say like company categories, company connections. So maybe I can select the company categories, that okay, what categories of companies, see Fortune 500, Fortune 1000, Fortune 100 fast growing companies, Forbes world's most innovative companies. I mean, we can select any of them which are related to us. So yeah, I mean, you can see this all companies over here. Mm, But I mean, this all requires time. Say it requires a lot of time where you need to sit and study. In case if you are selecting your audiences, then company connections. So in case if you are selecting a particular connection, then you need to provide a name over here. Then you can select all those connections. Then company followers of, so company followers of, so you select all the followers over here. So your audience is too small to launch a campaign, please expand your audiences. So I mean, okay, fine. So I think I have only maybe around 1500 followers on LinkedIn, so it's fine. I can keep this empty, or then I can use education, so degrees, field of studies, member schools. So instead of degrees, I would use field of studies, so that I can use marketing over here. So under marketing, you can see there are various options like management, business management marketing, international marketing, general sales, specialized sales, marketing research, pharmaceutical marketing and management, apparel, textile, marketing management, business and personal finance, servicing operations. Okay. So fine, I can use this option over here. These two options I can use. So this is what we have used, field of study, and then maybe I can use maybe MBA. Let's see. So MBA is not there. Mm, fine. Then member schools. So in case if I want to target any of the particular universities or schools or colleges worldwide, I can use them. So I can select university of. So over here I can see all US universities. So if I want to target people, students of these universities or people of these universities, I can just target them over here, but I'm not seeing any Indian. So let's me try. Yes, University of Mumbai, Mumbai, Pravin Gandhi College of Law, Mumbai University, Central Institutes of Fishery. No. So over here, I'll use Pune. So okay, so Pune we have three universities. Uh, Savitribai Phule, Bharati Vidyapeeth, Department of Computer Science, Pune University, okay, Department of Physics, Department of Technology, okay, Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University, Institute of Environment, Education and Research, okay, Department of Computer Science, okay, Department of Media and Communication, yes, and statistics, no. So, and then I'll use enable audience expansion also. So, in case if LinkedIn finds any audience which is similar to our audience, then they will be selected. So, I can also save this audience also for future use. So, I mean, that facility was available with Facebook also. So like this, I can select this, then job experience. So in case if I want, I can select then interest and traits. So that all things also. So it's like interest and behavior that we were selecting in Facebook. So similar kind of options we have over here. So that all things we can use over here in the audiences. And after that, if I want to save this audience, I can just click on the save audience. So next time I can use this. So okay, I can just use provide a name over here and describe what this audience is about, and then click on save. So next time from the drop down, I can just use this audiences. So I'll just use say Mumbai, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Okay, then I'll click on save. So now my audience is saved. So next time I can just use the audience by selecting from the drop down or the options available. And then I need to select the ad format. So single image or a video. So let's see, let me try a video this time. And after that, what I need. So this is the URL tracking parameters. So that we are not using at the moment. And yeah, that's it over here. Set a daily budget. You can see this set a daily budget. It is asking for 10,000 rupees, and what I have entered is 500. Let's see. So 500 rupees is the budget that it is asking. I have added 500 and it is asking for 10,000. So your campaign group remaining budget is 5,000, update group budget. So I mean 5,000 rupees is the total budget that we are using, and 500 is the daily budget out of 5,000 rupees that we have, that will be used on a daily basis, and run campaigns daily from say tomorrow. Okay, and maximum. So, what is the bidding strategy? So, maximum delivery, get the most results possible with your full budget. And second option is cost cap, get as many results as possible while staying under your desired maximum cost per result. So, this would be an impression based ad, and this would be say cost per bidding. So this would be like action for each and every event that is taking place. So whatever action people are taking, say we have to pay according to it. So let's see, if I select cost cap, the target audience size is 15 lakhs. Yes, and this is the amount. So you can see 56.54 is the cost per engagement click. Now, in case if we want, we can increase or decrease. So we recommend the cost cap of at least 56.54. Similar advertisers are spending between 43 rupees to 121 rupees. So now if I want to decrease to 43, 44 rupees, it's fine, I can use that. And if I know that okay, 121 rupees is the maximum amount that I can use over here, but in case if I am using anything about 121, then the frequency of my ad will be better than the others, because my bid would be the highest that I have provided. So, but I mean, say for each click I am paying 122 rupees, that would be too high. So, any which ways, LinkedIn ads are quite costly, so I'll go with the maximum delivery only. So that's fine over here. And then conversion tracking, so that's not required at the moment. I click on next, save, and then I need to create my ad. That's it. So create a new ad, or maybe I can just take an existing ad which I had created. So okay, so I can just browse existing content. So maybe I can use this all. You can see this over here. This ad was taken. This is a video ad, so maybe I can use this. Okay, so I can use this. This is a previous video, this previous content that I had added. So okay, so this is it. So I can say add to the campaign. Okay, and you can create 5 ads to improve the performance. Okay, so that's fine. And then I click on next. And engagement, increase social engagement, company page followers. Okay, so that all things will happen. And this is the campaign details for whatever things that we have added till now. This is the audience type that we have selected. This is the field of study that we have selected. Audience expansion is enabled. Format is video ad. And okay, so rest of the things are added over here. This is my ad. And after that the payment details. And after that agree and launch the campaign. So right now I'm just clicking on save and exit. So yes, that's it, my campaign is done. So this is the campaign that we have over here. So yeah. Mm, so that was the ad that okay, so 1 second. Yeah, so now we create another campaign. Let's see. So I will use accelerated. It doesn't make any difference over here. In which ways, if I want to edit anything, I can edit at any point of time. So accelerate is better option. So which will save our time and we can do more ads. Maybe we can even complete the ads. Let's see. So accelerate over here, I click on next. And this is okay, campaign group details, the lifetime budget 5,000. So it is taking the content from the previous ad. So we can see 5,000 we had added in the previous ad. So this is it. I click on next. And what type of ad we want, so I can use a single image, video, or a document. So the ad type that we are doing, okay, so it's still the engagement ad. So but we were not we were not doing the engagement we have already done. Let me go back. Mm, okay, it was selected over here, that was the reason it went to engagement. Okay, so we want to create a new one. So I click on create a campaign. And now, yes, now I can select this. So now it is video views. So share your videos with more people. So over here I can select the videos which I've uploaded on LinkedIn. So let's see. So I click on this video views and I click on next, and then I can select accelerate or classic. So let's select classic this time. Click on next, and campaign would be video views for video, and group objective is video views. Growth and budget optimization, we will keep what we want, and scheduling, so that I can use for 14th April, and then I click on next, and now you can see the option over here, saved audiences. So now we can see Mumbai Pune we had selected in the last ad. So in case if I want to select, I can select that ad, so that is from the saved audiences. Or you can see the audiences from the LinkedIn. So you can see master members with bachelor's degree, expertise in biotechnology, expertise in Bitcoin blockchain, expertise in computer science, corporate HR professionals. So I mean there are some ready-made options over here which I can select, but over here I don't think I'm getting. So marketing professionals, I mean they are already professionals into marketing, so there's no point. They won't be doing digital marketing because they are already professionals. So that's out of question. So if I click on see all audiences, then again it will take back me to the all the audiences where I can select the audiences, like the companies and job this options, and the hierarchies and all those things. So that all things, and use auto targeting. So let's see, auto targeting we have used. So it has selected India English excluding Helpopedia EduTech employees. Audience signals, I mean signals will guide audience buying for your campaigns. I mean that if you want to add the signals, so again company industries, job titles, job seniorities, functions, if we want we can add those. So over here we don't have the option to select a data source, so we can select this manually over here, so that's fine. But in case if we want, we can select that option, audience signals. So by the way, ideally it is auto targeting over here, so AI powered targeting based on the product listing to optimize your key results. So I mean we don't need to worry about the audiences. Then over here the ad format is video. So captivate professional audio with native video. Okay, so native video is the video that is available on LinkedIn. So impressions and clicks for video ad formats aren't accredited to the Media Rating Council. Okay, so that's okay, fine. But any which ways, we have educational videos, so that's out of question. And then over here, the all things placement, that's automated. We don't have any option to change any placements over here like we had in Facebook. So that's fine. Facebook, Instagram, we had the option to select the placements, but over here we don't have the in-depth placement opportunities. So that's fine. And we need to set a daily budget. So daily budget again, I'm using 500, and run ads from 14th, and okay, so over here the optimization goal is video views. Let's see what other options we have. Other option is impressions, but we want to promote our videos, so definitely we have to use video views, and that is recommended. So I mean ideally we use whatever is recommended by LinkedIn because they know what works the best. And any which way, since we have selected video views, we want people to watch our videos. Why do we want impressions? Now if a video is displayed on a person's screen and he doesn't view, then there's no point. So over here we want people to view our video, so we are using this. So video views, okay, and then the strategy would be maximum delivery over here. So again, we are using this, so this is a video view, so we want more people to view, and we don't want to pay the price individually for each and every person viewing a video. So I mean, if I do that, then I have to select cost cap, and then in that case it would be very costly, because I'll be paying for each and every person watching my video. So that's a cost cap, so I don't want that. So you can see this desired maximum cost per result. So cost per result is basically whenever a person is viewing a video. So that is the cost per result. My result is when a person watches a video, that is the result that I got. So if 100 people are watching, it means I am getting 100 results over here. So for every result I cannot pay. So for that reason, I will select maximum delivery. So that would be a CPM based ad, so wherein I don't have to pay for each and every this view. But ideally, I mean, when we are going for a video view, the cost cap would be a better option, because you will exactly get to know that how many people are viewing your video. See over here, the minimum price is 0.90, and advertisers spend approximately 0.63 to 1.17. So, okay, so I mean, that's fine. I can use 0.65. So 63 is the minimum. I can use 0.65. So I'll be paying 65 paise for each and every person viewing my video, so that is okay. Then additional option is manual bidding, so control your bids in the auction. So this is the third option. So over here also we are using 65, so per video view. So okay, we recommend bidding 0.90. Similar advertisers are bidding 0.63 to 1.17. Okay, I mean, we have bidded more, but any which way, since it says 0.90, we can add 0.90. So that's fine. And conversion tracking, okay, so that's on the LinkedIn itself, so it's not going outside, so there's no requirement of conversion tracking over here itself. So it's okay. So now I click on next, and now we click the new ads, so I can provide the ad title. So this is for a video view. Introductory text, that's optional, but since the option is provided, I can use this. And then I need to create up to 5 ads by selecting multiple videos, upload or select a video. Okay, so let's see if I have any videos. Okay, I don't have any videos. I need to upload the videos, so let's see. Mm, okay, fine. I can select one, two, three, four, five, six. Mm, okay, so this is it over here. So only 5 videos may be uploaded at once. Additional files have been excluded. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so now it's uploading. Hmm. Okay, I should have tried only uploading 1 or 2 videos, but okay, in which ways. Yes, I just refreshed the screen, so that that those 5 videos were uploading. I just refreshed the screen because it was taking too long. So we are again back on the
Right.
screen to create the new ad. Okay, so now we will add all the required details. So fine, introductory text. So I'll use the same
Sir,
text.
your
Yes.
screen, like, it's still.
Uh, you are still facing a problem.
No,
Mm,
no, I'm unable to see your screen, sir.
you are not able to see my screen. Okay. I'll just reshare it again. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to see your screen.
Okay. Fine. So now we are using this. Okay, so introductory text we have added, and we need to upload or select the videos. So, okay, so the videos are still uploading. So fine, till that time maybe we can try to add the rest of the details over here. Okay, 1 second. Mm, okay, so we add the headlines. Okay, so let's take the headline. Destination URL option so that we can use learn more. Okay. Uh, okay, over here we don't see anything related to view the video. Okay, so that we don't see, so we use learn more only. So that's fine. So now let's see if the video is uploaded or not. Yeah, so the videos are not uploaded yet. So I mean, we just need to select the videos. That's it, and once it is done, we save the ad, and then finally it's saving and adding the payment method and launching the campaign. So nothing more than that. So this was the video view that we need to create. So I'll just click on save ad, but okay, it is asking to upload the video, but none of the videos are yet uploaded. So, I mean, either we wait or we create a separate campaign, another campaign. So we can leave this as it is, and we on the new page, or maybe on the same page, we can click on this because that will upload automatically. Okay. So now I can click on create a new campaign, and now the next thing that we have is the lead generation ad. So we have lead generation, website conversions, and job applicants. Job applicants is say, I mean, if we are posting any job, so we cannot use this over here. So that's out of question. The website conversion and lead generation, these two ads we can do. Mm, okay. So let's continue with this, but yeah, fine, not a problem. So let's see. So I click on next, and this time we will select accelerated and click on next. So campaign group and that all things are automated over here. And the type of ad, so we'll select is image ad, and then we click on next, and then this is for what you are advertising. So we are advertising for this, and this is the content which is it taking automatically. So maybe it's taking from somewhere. Okay, Okay, I'll select this. If we want, we can edit that text as well. Okay, let's see. So this is lead generation campaign and target setting, that is all automated. Location is India, English. Okay, audience signals, we automatically build an audience using your product description. Okay, and now we can create an ad. So I mean there's not much over here, so we create an ad. Introductory text so that we can use. Okay, and this would be the headline. So headline and media we can use. Let's see what media we can use. I can use one. uh, this field is too long, maximum is 200 characters. Okay, so I can just remove this, so that's fine. So this is one over here. Okay, so okay, I can use only one image. So let's see what I can use. So last time I had used this image, so this time I'll use this image. Okay, and after that, call to action. So this is sign up over here. Hmm. So this is the form. So let's see, sign up, apply now, download, get code. So I am think get code or learn more would be a better option over here, because anyone who wants to join the course, they first want the code. Hmm. So we'll use get code over here, and this is the lead generation form. So if I don't want to use this lead generation form, so I mean, however, I've created, so I'll just close this, and I can lead generation form with work email, and this is lead generation with personal email. I mean, we can use whatever, so I'll use personal because not everybody might be having this company. So I'll just click on this, and this is the lead generation form. This is offer headline. So offer headline, we can put something good. So okay, and offer details, so that we can put some content. Okay, so it's too long, so we can remove it. Okay, so now it's done. Privacy policy URL. Okay, so that's the correct one. Privacy policy text, that's optional because we have provided the privacy policy URL. That's mandatory. Then lead details and custom, all those options. So profile. So what are the things that we want to collect from lead generation? What are the things that we require to collect? So first name, last name, email address is important. Country, region, okay, that can be collected. Job title, if at all, I mean that's not necessary. Company name is also not necessary. What I require is a phone number. So first name, last name, email address, and phone number is required, contact, and then I can say phone number is required. Instead of country, region, okay, I mean I can select city also. So but more details, if we try to add, people might not fill up everything. However, all the details whatever that person has filled up, that will be automatically populated. But still, to be on a safer side, I would not add more fields, or else people might not fill up the thing. So over here, first name, last name, email address, phone number. So four things are auto populated. Maybe even this would be auto populated. If not, they might need to select only one. And if you still want to be on a safer side, you can just remove this option as well. So then only name, email address, and mobile number. That's more than enough that we require for lead generation form. So that's it over here. And then
So,
over here,
one
yes,
question. Sorry to interrupt. We saw a default option. So
hmm,
we why don't have a customized options like over here? We can also input over here, right?
yes, we can
The
see over
options.
here. See, I mean, over here we have this contact. So, I mean, over here we have the custom questions. You can add maximum. So, I mean, I can add what program you are interested in. So, like over here, I can say, which course are you interested in? Uh, and then I can provide some choices over here, multiple choice like digital marketing course, and then and still I can add some options. Okay.
Like we have up to 15 options and we can insert up to
Yes,
15
yes.
multiple choice answer which or what exactly we need to enroll with.
So yeah, I mean, you can ask any question over here, and then you can provide the options which people can select. So a drop down will come. So from that drop down, people can select any one of the option. So this is what we have. So this is one custom question like this. You can still add two more in case if you want to. So I have added one. So I mean, for me, that is the most relevant. I mean, apart from name, email address, and phone number, I would be I want people to ask that okay which course that they are interested in. So from the four courses that I have added, so that is what it is. And after that confirmations over here. So confirmation, what confirmation we want. So the landing page, so that would be the landing page. I can provide the website URL over here. And message, expect to hear from us soon to learn more. Okay, one second. Information sent to Helpopedia EduTech. Okay. So, okay, so this is it. So, like, expect to hear from us soon to learn more today. Visit our website. So, this is confirmation message.
Like in the
Yes.
contact all question like in the contact option like we usually used to mention first and last name, so we can easily manage rather mentioning first name and last name we can mention an option of full name, right? So the first and last name will easily come and we have the on that
I mean, if that option
in a
is
preview page.
available, if that option is available, then yes, we can. Just one second, I will check that. Mm,
Please.
okay, so this confirmation message is set over here. So now we can go and check that details. Okay, so that is the form details. Lead
Contact
generation form,
yes, phone
okay,
numbers.
that is the lead questions over here. So I would say remove first name and last name, and in contact, let me see if we have first name, last name. We don't have the option of full name over here. So I mean,
So can we
every
insert
no, we cannot
or
insert.
we
We
don't
have
we
to
are unable
select
to?
from whatever options are there. So I mean, I can select only the options that are available over here. So I need to select full name and first name and last name over here. That is the only thing. So I
Okay.
cannot input, say the standard set of options cannot be edited. Apart from that, for that reason, we are having custom questions that we can add. Over there, we can do whatever editing we want. But in the standard set of options, there is no editing option. Because see, I mean, in LinkedIn also, they have provided first name and last name. In the field also, when you are creating a LinkedIn account over there also, they have asked first name and last name. So that is the reason they are taking the same fields from the database. They don't want other options, say like full name, because again, because that full name
Okay.
doesn't exist in their database at the moment.
Right.
So they want to reuse the same thing. They don't want to add anything extra. So yes, I mean they are using the same options that are available in their database. So I mean they don't need to reprogram anything separately. So yes, this because this all everything, whatever this pre-populated questions are there, these all questions are there, they are already present. These all fields are already present in LinkedIn. That is the reason they are asking this. See, LinkedIn URL is also there. If we go to work, then job title, function, seniority, then what type of company name, see company size, industry, that all things are already there in LinkedIn. So you can get any information you want by selecting that option. So I mean, we cannot. I mean, there's no option for editing these options. So we have to go with the options that are predefined. So that is confirmed now, and yes, now my fields are also done. Confirmation is done, and hidden fields option. So if you want to add, so add additional fields to your, sorry.
No, no, you can proceed.
Okay. Okay. So hidden fields, add additional fields to your forms for tracking purpose. Hidden fields will not show to members when they view your form. So and will not collect any additional personal data about the submitting members. Okay. So let's see what hidden field we can add. So field name, field value. I mean, but okay, over here we don't have anything like to add over here. So I mean that is out of question. Hidden fields are not required by us. So then I can click on apply. So my lead generation form with personal email is done, and description, in case if you want to add some description about this form, you can add the description. So this your ad description provides more info to people who see your ad. The ad description will not be visible in most scenarios and will not appear for small portion of LinkedIn members, such as those viewing it on LinkedIn audience network if enabled. So, okay, for that reason, we can add the description text, whatever we have added over here. So I can just copy that and paste it over here so people will get to know that, okay, what this ad is all about. So that's done. Now I can click on save ad, but on the right hand side, let me preview my ad. Okay, so this is my ad. This is my ad creative. Okay, so this is my ad creative. Okay, and get code. So when they click on get code, it will take them to the destination. That is the form over here. Okay, so this is the form that will be coming up. Okay, so over here it does not show the form like how we used to see it in Facebook and Google, but over here it is not, we cannot see the form. Okay, so that's fine. So I'll just click on save ad. Mm, so fine. So my ad is getting saved, and after that, I mean, you can select the placement, so that is automatically your ads will appear on LinkedIn properties. That's it, your budget and all those things. That is we have already added 6,000 daily budget, and conversion tracking. So conversion tracking, we can just add that conversion tracking in our website that code, and it will be done. And then the payment details that we can add, and after that we can launch the campaign. So that's the lead generation ad over here. So that's save and exit. So this is done over here, and now we are remaining with one ad. So one ad we can complete it. So we can so I mean, yeah, website conversion. So capture leads or drive action on your website. So I mean, over here we had get more clicks to your landing page, that is website visits. And over here, website conversion is capture leads or drive actions on your website. So that can be anything like you have created a landing page, or say on your website you want to collect leads, then yes, you can use this. Say like on my website also, on the home page there is a form which people can fill up. So that's a lead generation kind of form, so people don't need to, I mean, they don't have time, they can immediately fill up that form and finish it off. And other actions on the page can be anything like they can register an account with the website, and they can purchase a course, they can subscribe to newsletters, or maybe they can register as an affiliate. So various actions can be performed on the website. So that all comes into website conversions. So I click on next, and over here we'll use accelerated, that is recommended, and click on next. And what format? So we use single image. And over here, what are you advertising? We are advertising digital marketing courses. Okay, draft campaign. Okay, so your campaign budget is loading. Okay, so now targeting settings, India, English. Okay, so that is the same, it's not changing anything. And audience signals, we automatically build an audience using your product description, so we don't need to add the audiences over here, we directly need to create an ad. So that is it. So here again the introductory text and everything, so I'll copy the same. So I mean, if you notice over here, say what all options we had in Google Ads and Facebook Ads, we had campaigns, then ad sets, and then ads. Over here, it's directly the campaign, and after that, you just create an ad. Over here, we don't have anything more than that. See, we just have one creating an account. That is only one time purpose. We every time we don't need to create an account. So if I'm creating an account for myself, I create that account, and then every time I just need to create a campaign, and then just create an ad. In that campaign itself, I need to select the bids and say the strategies and the budget and bidding that I need to do, which we were doing in ad set. But the only thing is that the process is say very short over here. That is because it is a professional network, and you have only limited options related to companies, job titles, and seniority, all those things. So yeah, I mean, we the options are less, and it takes less time to create an ad on LinkedIn. But the only thing is that it's quite costly. So that is it. Now I need to type a headline. So I'll select an headline. Okay, so and then now media. So media I can use. So I'll select a media over here. Then I need to save an ad. So this is, you can see my ad is created over here. So this is how my ad will look like. And I click on save ad. And yes, now we are taken towards the audience signals. Okay, that's automated. So yes, I mean, that's it. So this is done. On an average, advertiser sees 20% or more improvement in click-through rate or with 5 more ads. Okay, so that's fine. I mean, we can draft more ads if we want. So this is how my ads will look like. This is the placement. So we will optimize delivery of your ads across available placements, including LinkedIn and our network trusted publishers. Okay. Budget and scheduling. So in case if we want to edit the budgets, I mean, you can see it has taken everything from the previous ad. So over here also it has taken 6,000 from the previous ad. If you want, we can change this at any point of time. You can just click on edit. If anything is not okay, you have the option to click on edit and it will we can edit the thing. Conversion tracking. So this is the place where we need conversion tracking. So add conversion tracking to measure actions or people take after engaging with your campaign. So I can just click on conversion tracking. So create your first conversion. So create a URL conversion. So conversion name. Thank So conversion page. Thank you. And then over here, maybe I need to check that page on my website. Hmm. Okay, page not found. Okay, so I just need to see if that page is there. So I mean, yeah, I had that page, but any which ways, even if I don't have, then we are using that code that we need to add in our website. Okay, so okay, so now we are on the dashboard. I can just go to the pages. Yes, I have a thank you page over here. So, okay, it's thank dash you. So I can just copy this. So whenever a person will purchase at that time, this page might display. So this is it. So I can use that. So this would be the URL over here. Create. And over here, this is the thank you page that we have selected. And click on apply. So that's done. So inside tag based conversions aren't being tracked as a tag isn't installed. Okay, so I need to install that tag on the website. So now it's time. I can just open this and I can copy this code. So I can use this and let's see where we can add that. It did not tell us where to add that inside. Okay. Hmm. So add this code to your website if it is having a global footer. Add the code before end of the body. Okay, end of the body tag. And if it doesn't, add a code to the each page of your website before end of the body. Okay, end of the body. Okay, so it's that. Okay, so I'll just copy this. It's the same thing. Okay, I think it's the same thing. Yes, 82613378 82613337. Yes, it's the same code. So fine, I can just copy this code and I can paste it on my website. So where do I go and paste it? So I have installed a plugin. wherein I can use that code. So it is for the header and footer. Code snippets, header and footer. So I already have some codes over here. So it asks to add it after the body, uh, at the end of the body. Okay, it did not say slash body, it says body. So it should be within the body, I believe. Okay, so let's see. So we'll try to add it over here and click on save changes. And now maybe we can, if we have some option to verify, let's see. Okay, if I can click on assist and maybe okay, does not have the option your campaign is ready to review. Okay, so it's it. Fine. I mean, unless and until I don't refresh this, maybe I don't know, it might come up or not. Okay, that's fine. So, I mean, this is done. So now it will automatically track the conversion because the code is added into the website. And now, whenever this ad is running, people will click on this, and if there are any conversions, we will get the option. We will get to know that okay, how many conversions are happening on the website. That's it. So I mean, over here we don't have anything much to see. So I can just click on save and exit, and I can just refresh it and check whether it is added or not. Okay, so I just click on it, and okay, so website conversion, yes. So okay, so you can see this. It will look like this. So this is how it will come up in people's profile. You can see this, it says promoted. So over here on the pages it will come up like this. So I mean, it's such a big ad that will come up in right in front of people. So I mean, this is good. So now when people will click on learn more, it will take them to our website, and then it will track all the conversions. So this is what we can see. So this is not I mean the live, but it is just for an example. It will take us like this. So yes, that's it. So that's it. So if I just click on test, create a test to optimize your campaign. So I mean, test helps you to learn and understand what yields better results to your campaigns. Okay, that is just testing. I click on overview. So in overview, so you can see get started with installing the insight tag. So yes, finally, yes. So this is what I wanted to test, that whether this is activated or not. So now there is a dash on it. So this is done over here. So installing the insight tag is already added. So now we will get to see the reports over here in the overview section. So by the objective, we will get to know what are the awareness, consideration, conversion. So I mean, we have three categories of the ads. So over here, we will get to see the results and spend objectives for each and every objective over here. What are the impressions, the cost per milestone, and the revenues and return on ad spends, that all things we can see. And if you have CRM, then you can connect a CRM. So I mean, corporates use CRM, but individuals don't use CRM. But if at all, I mean, I haven't tried it, but if you want You can use Bittrex CRM. Bittrex CRM is absolutely free of cost. I haven't tried it, but I mean, I was using it for some other purposes. So, I mean, you can use that to see how things work. And then campaign performance. So you can see over here all the campaigns that we have created. We can already see all the campaigns, and then the performance of the campaigns that we can see, and then explore more on campaign manager. So you can set up your conversion API. So I mean, this is in case if you are using some CRM, then in that case you can use this and get LinkedIn marketing learning pass. Okay, so that is for the learning. So that's not for us. So I mean, that's all assets that you can see the lead generation forms. So if people are filling the lead generation form, then it will be displayed over here, and you will get to know how many leads that you are getting over here. So you can see, and you will also get to know that which form is associated with how many ads over here. So it's associations you will get to know. So that is it. So here, before deleting any of the this forms, in that case you should just know that it is attached with two ads, and make sure that those ads are not running in case if you want to delete any of the form, otherwise the ads will not perform. So for that reason it provides the association as well. So I mean, yeah, this is the leads that we get, and on what date we got the leads, that all things we get. Then we want to see the landing pages. So landing page views over here, we get to see the landing page views over here. Then asset history. So asset history is basically all the assets that we have used in our ad. So you haven't received any assets yet. Okay, conversions. In case if we have received any conversions, we get to see over here. I mean, everything is blank over here in my case because trust me, I haven't used LinkedIn ads till date because I mean it's too costly over there. If I can use things in 1,000 over here, I have to spend 10,000. The results that I get on Facebook and Google is 10 times more than LinkedIn. So I mean. But of course, I mean, when we talk about getting results, the quality of results would be better in terms of Facebook and Instagram comparing LinkedIn. So, LinkedIn, you will get better results, and you will get professional results where, I mean, people will not just click for the sake of filling up the form and then they don't respond. It's not like that because over here, since it is a professional network, yes, people will be quality content. I mean, quality results we get, whether it's in terms of website visits or lead generation. So you have all the options over here: advertisers profile, manage access. So over here you can provide the access in case if you want to give access to someone else to manage your ads, then in that case you can add a user over here, and you need that person needs to have a LinkedIn account. So then you can type a name, automatically that person's profile will come up and you select that and then you click on add. So directly we cannot add over here. So we that person needs to have a LinkedIn account. So that is it. And then the billing options we get to see. So how will you pay? So that you can add the payment details. So the only payment detail that is available in for India at the moment is credit card and debit card. Only two options are left. We don't have net banking. We don't have UPI payments or wallets. We don't have all those options. Only credit card and debit card. Two options are available. No other option is available. So that's okay. And then the business information that you get to see over here, the address and all those things. And then if you want to edit the account, you can edit the account over here. You get to see this. Okay. And then URL parameters. So in case if we have added any URL parameters that you want to track, that is the UTM codes which I had shown. So in case if you want to add, you can add the tracking parameters over here as well. So that's it. So then there is a company page and business manager. I mean, that will take you to the page that we have created. So that's the company page and business manager. So I mean, business manager is the manager where I mean, it will provide you some other options. So, introducing Business Manager, your place to easily manage all your organization's accounts and pages. So, over here, you can manage, but this is for the corporates, for the companies only, where you can create a Business Manager page where they have multiple businesses. So, I mean, like, say, when we were learning this LinkedIn marketing over there, I had mentioned that you have showcase pages. So like say if Microsoft is having multiple products, they might have hundreds of products. So for them, they will create multiple showcase pages which are linked to the main company page. So company page can be one company page, and there could be sub pages. They are called as showcase pages, which will be for each and every product. Like Microsoft Office, there will be one showcase page. Then the second one would be for Windows 10. Then third page could be for Windows 11. Then fourth page can be for Microsoft Azure. So like that, I mean, whatever products they have, they will be creating multiple showcase pages, because in one page, one company page, they cannot have all the products. Then it would be I mean, it will be a mixture of everything, and it would be difficult to manage each and every product of the company. So for that, we can have multiple showcase pages. But at the moment, for individuals, we have only 15 showcase pages that we can add. But say if I talk about Microsoft, they have more than 100 showcase pages. But of course, they have a corporate account, and once you reach the limit, you can request to enhance the limit. That would then LinkedIn would check, and then they would provide you with appropriate solution for it. So that's all about LinkedIn ads. So you can just practice it and see how it works, and see what all other doubts you have, because once you practice, you will have doubts. So I would suggest you to practice, and then we can have more conversation about it. So that's it from my end. So in the next session, we'll start a new module, unless and until you have any questions or revisions to be done for any of the practice that you have done. So that's it from my end. So if you have any questions, you can unmute your microphone and let me know.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. So, like, I just wanted to add a note that when having a word with sir,
Hmm.
the owner of the organization of like this company, Vashi
Hmm.
branch. So I told him directly ki what is my intention.
Hmm.
My intention at the time to get into lead generation. That is a sector which I was looking for. But after your teach, after your education, I am aware of theoretically, like I'm aware of SEO, which is search engine optimization, and apart from that, search engine marketing means Google Ads. Also, I am
Right.
keen to. And thereafter, you taught about email marketing, you taught about LinkedIn marketing. So all the things which you taught, which is totally theoretically, which is understood in my mind page, because there are two different things which I understood. One is optimization, which is the SEO part, and another is a marketing part, which is search engine marketing plus social media marketing plus social media optimization.
Right.
We're gonna do the marketing if we are optimizing our website or social media handle or our website. Then only we will be able to do the marketing part, because primary the optimization is very important. At least if we are telling about our product, about our services, then only we can do the marketing via media, via graphic designing part, right, sir?
Correct. Correct.
So, theoretically, the thing which you taught, it's totally understood. But when it comes to practical part, I haven't completed all the part practically, but I'm still in the process. Which, if I'm having some query, I am just referring to YouTube, rather, because there is a gap of 1 week, 7 days
Right.
in the next conversation. So I usually prefer to YouTube, and other if the things are not analyzed from the YouTube or the thing stuff. So I am noting down, but saying the things practically. So it's taking time, but still now I am just in the process to do the practical parts.
Yeah, I mean, say that's fine, because I mean, practice is something that you need to continue, and it's not that. that within 7 days or 10 days you can complete all the practice. See, practice is something like once you complete the course, I mean, you will be doing it for 15 days, 1 month, 2 months. You will continuously do it, you implement it, you get to see the results, and with trial and error, you perfect it over a period of time.
Correct.
Hmm.
So almost I see usually similarities. There are very much similarities in the marketing part, like search engine marketing, which is Google Ads. It is also very much
Hmm.
similar to Meta Ads, social media
Right.
marketing, YouTube. I haven't covered YouTube, but LinkedIn is all the scenario that comes in the basic plan. Like media, we are creating a media file. After the
Right.
media file, we need to do some content, keywords, description part. We need to do very much things. I'm saying it is very much general and very much common in all the marketing
Yes.
parts. So
Yes. I
it
mean,
becomes a bit.
Google and
Yes,
Meta
yes,
is very much similar.
very correct.
Yeah.
And whereas LinkedIn is concerned, like it has some different inputs of it. So I'm just going through,
Yeah, I
and
mean that's
I'm hoping
yeah.
if
Yeah, that's right because LinkedIn has to be different because it's a professional network. I mean, over there, it's not. See, in Facebook, when we were talking about the selection of the audience over there under behavior and demographics, we had the options like anniversaries and birthdays. Now, over here, we don't have all those options which we had in Meta because this is a complete
correct,
professional. So over here we have to select the company categories, then the uh, company types, then the job titles and job hierarchies. So those all things we have to select. So because this is a complete professional network, so it will be related to a professional content only. So all the questions and the inputs we have to provide would be the same only.
correct.
Yeah. Fine, not a problem. You just
So
practice. I mean, it's not that difficult. I mean, it's quite easy compared to, say, in terms of lengthwise, say, doing Google ads and Meta ads. LinkedIn ads are, say, it takes very less time because when we had done Google ads, it took approximately, I think, we took 3 lectures for. Google Ads, just let me check over here. Mm, yes, for Google Ads part 1, part 2. Yes, we took 2 lectures for Google Ads, and you can see for Meta Ads 1, 2, and 3. But now, if we talk about today's LinkedIn ads, I mean, it took only 1 lecture because comparing the content into it, we don't have much things to select. We just have to provide the basic input and our creative. That's it.
right.
So, I mean, that's taking very less time over here. But yeah, I mean, everything has its own pros and cons. Uh, LinkedIn, professional network, and others. I mean, you can use
So are you
Facebook.
okay? Like,
Yeah. It's absolutely fine. So I mean, it's Facebook and Google can be used because people prefer to use Meta ads and Google ads because comparatively it's quite cheaper option. When we talk about Meta, it's a bit costly. That's the only difference. Apart from being professional network, B2C and B2B, that's the only difference. Yeah.
till the day, like 13th of April, we have covered 17th lecture, right? So 16
Uh,
lecture, 17 lecture.
Today's lecture would be 16th lecture.
Okay. So how much more to cover, sir? how
After
much
this,
lectures are
we
usually.
after this we have this we have one lecture for say creative part, that is where we learn to create images and videos, and some part of AI creation and some tools, and say around two lectures for videos. So I mean, yeah, one, two, and three lectures maximum.
Fine.
Yeah.
Very
So
excited.
yeah,
Almost covered
yeah,
almost covered the things, but now it's time to do the practical part. So
yes,
like I need to
absolutely,
do the optimization part first, whether it is search engine or
yes,
whether it is social media. So need to like show our presence first, and on that basis we can run the marketing part.
right. So you, uh, the best option is that you can start to revise all the videos and then work simultaneously.
Sir, I'm doing I have started following the part like first to sixth lecture very much thorough with it,
Okay,
and the rest of the like 10 lectures it's taking on off on off on off. I'm just continuing the part, just doing the process, sir.
okay, fine. I mean, that's okay.
Okay,
All right.
done.
So,
This
yeah,
so it was today's lecture was bit time taking. We took 2.5 hours.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry to bother.
No, no, it's okay. I mean, see, even I continued because only for one or two ads, if we take it in the next lecture, then I mean, the next module would be hampered. For that reason, I thought that okay, taking 10-15 minutes extra is okay. I mean, so I did not want other module to be hampered. So for that reason, I continued. So I thought that okay, let's complete this module today, and in the next week we start with the new module. So it's okay. So
Absolutely
some,
correct, sir.
yeah. So I mean, some modules take time. Some modules, okay, we can complete it. We can take 2 days, 3 days. It's fine. All right, then see you in the next week.
All the
So
best.
till then, goodbye. Take care.
Okay, thank you so much, Hitesh. It was a wonderful session,
Thank you.
and I hope you have a good time ahead, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.